flashback today. Good afternoon. Guess where I am? This was the first off-plan, first series bungalows we did this side of town of the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm right back at Vantage Court Phase 1. Remember these bungalows? When we started building them, starting the last quarter of 2019 and delivered the first few quarters, this one that you are seeing, in the first quarter, February 2020. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the 64 plots are all in existence. This is a sample of an off-plan. Look at it today, people. Check it out. Everyone has moved in. When I say everyone, everyone. See, off-plan, my people, remains the best way you can own a home and spread it over at ease. All these individuals, all the people we are doing, they believe in us and got through off-plan. There's no one many here actually, but I just wanted to do this video to explain to you that when we say partner with us on off-plan projects, homes of terraces, bungalows, semi-detached duplexes will always deliver. We delivered in full, and we are now building another 3-bedroom semi-detached duplexes with BQ. We'll be going there. That's Vantage 2, and we're almost done and people are taking possession. What are you waiting for? At this time and critical moment in our country, the easiest way to get a premium home within any place you want is through off-plan. And we build to taste. Everything we promise we deliver: the solar enabled lights, the interlocked roads, the NEPA, everything. And of course our swimming pool and b-ball pot will show you. I'll be pausing this video and I'll be headed there so I can show you the b-ball pot and the swimming pool. 1 minute. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's the swimming pool. See, when the opportunity comes for you to tap into something at discounted prices, nail it. Even if you're not living in it, you can rent it out. If you're not renting it out, you can sell it off. My people, these bungalows were sold for 14-15 million naira. Today, the 5 units that remain, which anyway is gone, people bought it at 20 million. And it keeps rising because see, you can't go wrong with real estate. My people, that my brothers and sisters in the US and out of the country, this is an opportunity. This is sold out meanwhile, and we have many of these in our video in Shakpati all coming up. Tap into it, get it at a cheaper price, and thank me later. Now, this is the 3-bedroom terraces. Sorry, 3-bedroom semi-detached duplexes. This is what we have here. It's already selling out. This is what I call the Vantage 2, of which also are sharing this premium b-ball court and swimming pool too with the residents. Some people have moved in for the ones up there. Initial deposit 3 million naira, lock down the remaining. Remember that this is covered by a gazette, so you are sweet and good to go. No issues at all. Pick up your phone and call me before this is sold out. We are introducing very soon only detached duplexes here. Watch out. If you missed out on this bungalow series, my babes, my guys, don't miss out on this. Give me a call and I'm available. This is your real estate guru, ADA. Bye.